Jest is a JavaScript testing framework that focuses on simplicity, and that's a great thing given the complexity of web dev. It's also widely used. It's in fact the most widely used testing framework now. And as you can see there, it is approaching 4 million downloads per week for the module on NPM. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and navigate to GitHub. We'll create a project. I will then clone that to my local environment and add some testing. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I will slide into the recording window, the project or the organization within GitHub, which is 1xe, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a repository. I'll call it hello. I will say hello and test. I will make the repository public, initialize with the README, and add the gitignore for node, and then the license, the MIT license. So I'm going to go ahead and create that repo. Once it's ready, I will go ahead and copy the address to copy it or clone it to my local environment. I'll pull in here a terminal window that I already have open. I'm going to do it on my desktop, and then I'm going to enter the command git clone, the address that I just copied, and now I have that project in my local environment. As you can see here, I have a couple of files, which are the ones that you saw there when the project was created, and I'm now going to copy over a number of extra files that I have. One of them holds the code. This is the one that's going to say hello. The next one is going to test. And then I have a package.json. I'm going to go ahead and remove that package.json, and I will create it locally. So let me go ahead and remove that. And it is complaining. Here, let me see why it is complaining. Let me go ahead and make sure. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and move into the project here in my command line. And I'm going to run npm init. I'm going to leave the name, which is hello, the version, the description, I'll say hello. The entry point is hello.js, that's fine. The test command, this is Jest. This is where we're setting the instruction that we're going to run when we run the test. Get repo, you can see there that I read it, no keywords, no author for now, MIT license, and I'm going to confirm that that is okay. And now we have our package.json, as you can see there, and all of the information that we just entered. So I'm going to go ahead and add the package of Jest so we can test. I'm going to go ahead and add it, as you can see there. And it looks like that is close to being finished, and we have added it. So now let's go ahead and take a quick look at package. I'm just going to enter here package.json. And as you can see there, there is now, or there should be a dependency, and you can see here what the dependency is. And I'm going to go ahead and hit return. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you here what I have in the files. These are very simple files, as you will be able to see. Go ahead and open. I think my mouse is not opening the file for some reason. Let me go ahead and take a look. And somehow this is not opening automatically, but we can see the code that is in the file. You can see there that the function simply returns hello, and we export that function. And then from the testing file, and the convention within Jest is to use the same name of the file, just .test after it, as you can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that in Sublime Text again. And you can see here that I have the handle on that file, on that module, using required, and then I'm running a test there where I expect the text to be hello world. So if I run this now at the command line, and I enter here npm test, if we set everything right, this should go ahead and run, and the test will fail because we don't have hello world. If I go back and edit that file and enter hello world, I think that's lowercase. I'm going to go ahead and save, run the test again. You can see that that has in fact passed. So this is the basic setup of running a test using Jest on a Git repository.